Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix unable to check for update error on iPhone and iPad. When you hit a wall with the unable to check for update error on your iPhone or iPad, it can put a pause on getting the newest iOS features. This error stops your device cold from finding and downloading the latest updates that Apple has to offer. But don't worry, there is a clear path to fix this issue and get your device up to date from checking for sneaky beta profiles that might be blocking your updates. To make sure your network settings are not culprit, we will guide you through several steps to overcome this obstacle and ensure your device can search for and install any available iOS updates smoothly. Let's dive into how you can clear the path for your iPhone and iPad to embrace the latest iOS has to offer. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. The first step is remove beta profiles. Clearing beta profiles. To solve the unable to check for update issue on your iPhone, a culprit step is to remove any installed beta profiles. For this, go to Settings. Scroll down, tap on General, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on VPN and Device Management and look for any beta profiles listed. If a beta profile is present, select it and choose to remove it. You may need to enter your passcode to confirm the action, and then this action can help restore the ability of your device to detect and install the latest iOS update successfully, and you are done. An ongoing or stuck iOS update download can also trigger the unable to check for update error. For this, go to Settings, scroll down and then tap on General, and then tap on iPhone storage to view all stored data and applications. Search for any iOS update files in process or post. These files are temporarily found at the bottom of the list. If an update file is present, select it and opt to delete it. This action helps to eliminate conflicts that may affect the update process, and you are done. And the next step is reset network settings to resolve update issues. Encountering update error on your iPhone can often be resolved by resetting your network settings. This process is essential for troubleshooting connectivity issues that may hinder your device's ability to find and download iOS updates. For this, go to Settings, scroll down, tap on General, next scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Transfer Reset iPhone. Choose Reset and then choose Reset Network Settings. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset network settings, and you are done. And the next step is strengthening your internet connection. After resetting network settings, it's important to reconnect your iPhone to Wi-Fi. For this, go to Settings and then tap on Wi-Fi and then tap on the eye icon next to your connected Wi-Fi network and then select Forget this network. Then tap on Forget again to confirm. After forgetting, then reconnect by selecting your network from the list and entering the password again. This step ensures your Wi-Fi connection is optimal and devoid of any errors that might have been causing update issues, and you are done. And the next step is update your iOS software. With your network setting reset and Wi-Fi connection refreshed, your iPhone is now primed to search for and install any available software updates. For this, go to Settings, scroll down, tap on General and then tap on Software Update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available. Follow the on-screen instruction to download and install it. A stable and strong internet connection is crucial during this process to prevent any disruption. By following these steps, you can resolve the unable to check for update error, ensuring your iPhone stays up to date with the latest iOS software, and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of unable to check for update error on iPhone and iPad. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.